Welcome to the AniMake training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate speech from text in AniMake. Go to the left menu and click on Text from Speech. Insert your title. Insert your text. Choose AI Voice over Creator out of the options. You can choose options from drop-down. Language. Click on Generate Vox. Now, you can play your AI voiceover. Voiceover, also known as off-camera or off-stage commentary, is a production technique where you can download AI voiceover into your device. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.